Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we'll be looking at controlling a RS-332 device over HDBaseT using our Alfatron MUH88E video matrix. So we pretty much have a Biamp Impera Tango LAN controller that will be sending a LAN command to the matrix installed in the rack. This will then HDBaseT out to the Baylan set with an HDMI out into the projector into HDMI 1 and RS-332 into DB9 RS-332 control of the projector. Looking at the Biamp software, we're controlling the MUH88E matrix over LAN. The device driver looks something like this. So for power on, we are sending SUART 0 indicating all ports on HDBaseT, type 1 indicating that it's hex and not ASCII, type 0 would be ASCII, send data, and then the hex command for the projector to switch on or off, end and exclamation mark. For power off, the command is as follows, and then we have HDMI 1 and HDMI 2. Looking at the interface, we have projector on, projector off over HDBaseT, HDMI 1 on the projector and HDMI 2 on the projector. And just to show you the switching on, the normal switching on the matrix, we have a MyPC and a second source that's switching on the matrix itself. The commands underneath each button, we pretty much have power on in hex, power off on hex, HDMI 1 and HDMI 2, and then these are just the normal source input 4 to output 3 and source input 1 to output 3. So looking at the user interface that we've uploaded, if I hit projector on, the projector will take a second to boot up behind me. There it goes. Let's give it a sec. So to confirm that we're switching the matrix itself, we can switch to the second source. So this is switching the actual matrix behind us in the rack and switching back to my PC. Then switching between HDMI 1 and HDMI 2, we're currently in HDMI 1, which is the feed from the Baylan set. Switching to HDMI 2, which is a little media player we have directly connected to HDMI 2 on the projector. You'll see it switch to HDMI 2, and that is the screensaver for that. So we can switch back to HDMI 1, and then switch to the second source. So you'll see that this is still my desktop, but it's just obviously captured into the window, the recording piece we're using to record this video. But that is in essence the control. I'll just switch the projector back off again. It's cooling down and switched off. In a nutshell, that is how we can control a third-party projector or LED screen or any other device over RS-332 using our Alfatron HDBaseT MUH88E matrix. The matrix are receiving at the moment LAN commands, but you can also use RS-332 commands to the matrix to send to any of the HDBaseT outputs. These commands do not have to be the same, they can each be different. In this case, I send the same command to all HDBaseT outputs, but you can do individual ones. So if you have different brands requiring different commands to switch on and off or do source selection, that is all possible. It also is possible to use different baud rates on each of the outputs. But in a nutshell, that is how to control a third-party device. Thank you for watching and see you around.
Thank you.